Here we've got a 635, 716-262. So that should be a 2006 model, I believe. Got hydraulic fore in that. The head looks straight, rear looks straight. This come off of a retiring farmer. Guys, I'm just going to tell you the head's kind of common down here. This stainless plate, you can see where they've done some welding there. Keep it attached, washer there. It's just kind of not so great right there in the middle on the bottom. But now you look underneath and everything, as far as the poly, it looks okay. Okay? So real decent poly. Full fingered auger, of course. And all the way down through there, they've done this on that, when they put this stainless floor in there. Say they had to wear it and they put that in there new, and they've welded it in places. So just be aware of that. It is a Hydraflex. If I can set it down, we can see a little better inside of it. You can get a look down and see it. Auger looks decent. Don't see anything there. Hand looks okay. Just an average looking 635 head. It's going to sell absolute on Tractor House auction. I think they upgraded to a draper, is what my understanding is. Little place right there in the reel. Little bend. It is a single shaft, single point hookup. Fit your newer John Deere combines.